Hello and welcome to another video of Prax Art Gallery. So today is day 16 and in this video we will see how to draw a horse part 2. If you are interested in watching part 1, I have given the I button link over here. You can check that. So now let's get started with the video. How to draw a horse part 2. While shading horse neck, I realized how important the darker value over here is, because when I gave it a very lighter shade, it was not coming proper, it was not looking good, and it looked like it is like a the mouth of the horse and the body is different. But when I applied the darker shade, especially in the neck region, then the shadow actually covered the whole part and overall the body started looking good.